Hi guys, and welcome back to another product review video by Daniel and John, and we're looking at the Gardena indoor tap kit here. Comes in this nice packaging, comes in 3 parts, and that's what it's supposed to look like. And basically what it does is it adapts a standard mixer tap so you can use a hose with it, hose lock connectors, etc.
Yeah. I mean, I would say this is probably one of the simplest and most useful devices that I've seen for a long time, and it just gets away from the need to put an outside tap in if you need water for your car or plants or whatever. And if you're in rented accommodation, that might not be possible. Equally, it might not be possible in a flat. So how does this thing work? So for mixer taps only, on the end of it you'll always have one of these. It's got a little filter in it, diffuses the water. You'll see there it's got a little washer in it as well. We're going to replace this with a Gardena one, which is slightly different, and that's got a bit of a thicker washer and it's a little bit longer, but it's nice and chrome. So this is meant to stay on, and you might need to clean that thread a bit depending how stiff it is, but it should just screw on there. You don't need to over tighten it, but it does come with a spanner. There are a couple of flat edges on here if I can spot them. So you just want to tighten that up, and that's it. When you put that on, just turn your tap on. Make sure there are no leaks coming from around here. Just needs to be sort of hand tight really. And that's basically it. Now, on the second, probably the most important piece, you'll see an orange piece with a lock padlock and the black unlock. So with that in the unlock position, so the orange tab out, just need to push that up and lock it on, and that's basically it. When you finish using it, you would just push that unlock tab out and put this somewhere safe. You could leave it on, but it looks quite nice just with that left on. So let's push it back on. There we go. Let's just test for leaks. We're okay. Now, this will take hose lock. Gardena do them. Anything does them. So this is for demonstration purposes only, but obviously you just pop this out your window or where you feel comfortable popping it out. Turn your water on. And you see it's holding pressure as well, it's not leaking anywhere. So if you wanted a quick and easy solution for outside water to your property, garage, wherever, this has got to be the solution. And we'll put a link to this on Amazon, but I paid £6.99 for this, which was quite incredible.
It was on a deal, wasn't it?
It was on a deal,
yeah. And
that is just brilliant.
Really good price for that.
You leave that on permanently, it's just simplicity in itself.
When you do put it on though, make sure you hold the mixer tap thing so you push up, because this I'll show you inside, it has a O-ring inside, and that needs to seal on the bottom of this metal.
But just bear in mind, with use 2 or 3 times now, it's getting easier to put on.
Just because it's brand new.
So I reckon from design invention point of view, this is one of the best items that I've seen for a number of years, to be honest. Anyway, this has helped you solve your outside tap problem, so you haven't got any messy installation of copper pipes and screwing to brick walls and covering up in the winter. Then if you could give us a thumbs up for helping with this, or even subscribe, because we have lots of interesting videos coming up, we'd really appreciate it. We are a small channel. Thank you.